Hello friends, welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about internet marketing, technology, online money making. So if you are interested in any of this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Now this video is for all the internet marketers out there. So if you are dealing with any type of internet marketing things, social media, making money online, technology, then this forum is for you. So I'm going to show you a forum that has the potential to change your life. It has changed mine. So this forum is not your forum that you see otherwise, because this forum definitely going to take you some time to get used to it, because the words that are going to be there is not going to be easily understood by you. So I'm just going to guide you in the right direction so you can create your account, start using the forum and get benefit from the day one itself. So now let's go to the laptop screen and I will show you step by step what the forum is all about and how you can take maximum advantage out of it. Also, you can earn a lot of money from this forum if you have the right brain and creativity. One tip is don't look for spoon feeding you always. The right direction is enough for you to explore the things. So you should have, as an internet marketer, you should be able to explore the things by yourself, right? Now let's go and see. Okay, so now we are on the forum itself. So the name of the forum is blackhatworld.com. So this is the forum you need to visit, and make sure you create your account over here, because you can keep all the track of all the things right at one place. So once your account is ready, I'm going to give you an overview so you do not get confused while using it, right? So you can see different things here as you log in. These are the posts that are uh, uploaded by different users. So different people are talking about different things. As you can see, like this GV is joint venture. So anything that you can see in the bracket, that is a tag basically, depending on the forum. But joint venture is a forum there. I'm going to come about what it is all about in shortly. So just giving you an idea, like you do not get confused. So let's go to the forum itself. So this is the main forum list. Once you click here, you will see different forums. So the first forum is basically newbie guides. So if you are a person who has recently joined in the forum, you definitely should read it. Although the name is black hat, there is nothing black hat that goes here. Most of the things are white SEO things, and the rules are very much strict. So you cannot break the rules, or you will get banned. So that's number tip one. Now once you are here, you can introduce yourself. You can just go to this forum in the introduction, and you can introduce yourself. You can talk about your experience, what you are looking for. You can communicate with other team members of this forum, right? The other thing is the marketplace. Basically, here you can sell and buy things. So if you're looking to buy things and if you're looking to sell a service, you can do that. But again, to sell something on the market list, you need to have a premium account that costs up to $200. But if you're looking for buying things, if you're looking for some discounted deals on hosting, content writing, images, SEO, etc., you can buy from this. People are selling different things. Let me show you an example. So as you can see, people are here selling SEO services. So you can see he is offering guest post on his website for $15. Now as you will read all those things, niche, guest post. Now if you are new into internet marketing, you may get confused with all this, what is PBN, etc. So you will have to keep reading, Google few things, and get acquainted with this. Like suppose I'm seeing here the word PBN, so I'll just Google here, right? What is PBN in internet marketing? PVN is basically private blog networks. You can go and read it. So Semrush has an article on it. You can go and read it. So once you start, give some time to this forum, start using it for 1 month, and then you will get acquainted with all the words, technical words, or that are used here, right? Now this is the SEO. So this is what we are looking at. The marketplace we are looking at. So all the services are social media services, web designing services are here. You can definitely buy or sell your service over here. Now this is the forum, SEO, Black Hat SEO tools. So here people discuss about Black Hat SEO. So what type of SEO they can use on their website so it can rank on first on Google. People discuss about blogging, right? So if they have new blog, how they can grow. So here are people are we experience people are earning 100K dollars per month for with their blogging, right? So they are earning, right? So all these are there. Artificial intelligence in digital marketing, what it is. So people are talking about that. Here people are talking about all the social media forums, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Suppose I'm talking about YouTube. Let me show you an example. So people are talking about how you can monetize YouTube. So what are different YouTube monetization forum? Let me open this. So a person has created a nice post here, like, so he's talking about, so either person is sharing some useful information or asking question here, right? So here what the person is doing, let us see. I've been researching everything there is to know about YouTube and thought I would share a list of monetization. So he's talking about how you can monetize your YouTube channel. So he's giving you list, affiliate marketing, etc., right? So as you can see, like he's discussing, like you can create online course, you can start a podcast, etc. So you are getting the idea, right? You are getting the idea of what I'm talking about. Um, Now he's discussing. So this here in this YouTube section, all the topic will be related to different YouTube things. How you can grow your YouTube channel, how you can monetize it. Some people might be asking questions related to YouTube. So you can visit different if you have doubt or if you want to learn more about Facebook, then you can go there. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn, then you can use that forum. Here is all about white hat SEO. Basically they are talking about copywriting and salesperson. Again, it has different topic. If you want to learn about link building, now if you are new to internet marketing, you might not know what is link building. So you can learn about it. If you know, that means you know that if you have a blog, then link building is very important, and there are different methods to increase your link building, right? So your website grows. So you can learn about it. If you're new, don't worry, you can learn. Just Google things if that do not understand. So people are talking about making money. This is very important section. People talk about different ways to making money. So there are different section. One is making money. This section you need to use very much if you are looking for online money making. People here share different methods, like that you can use to earn money online, right? Let me share you an example. Here a person is sharing 300% ROI on TikTok ads. So basically he's sharing a method where you can, get a return on investment of 300% if you run a TikTok ads. Obviously then you can make money, right? um, he's talking about CPA method. CPA, if you do not know, if you are new to internet marketing, you might not know cost per action. So what it is, you need to learn. So he had a method that still works. 12 people have liked it, that means the method is great, right? He's talking about different things, so you can learn here how to make money in different ways. So there are, this is a really good way to, learn how you can start making money online, right? So now there are different forums. As you can see, joint venture is that I was talking about. This is the forum. So the person posted here, that's why he used the tag. But you can directly create a thread if you want to open a joint venture or post a thread, right? So you can create here. That means if you want to create a new post. So what is joint venture? Basically, if you have an idea and you are looking for partner, and if you are willing to share revenue with him, then you can create a joint venture with people, right? So for example, let me show you a simple example. So here a person has an agency of social media agency a person has, where he will provide all social media marketing services, and you need to provide him with clients who need social media marketing. So in that way he will share some revenue with you. So if you refer him client, you will get the revenue 50-50 is the best way to share the revenue, right? So you understood what I was talking about. I'm just giving you an overview of what joint venture looks like. Now there are different things like offline marketing. If you want to discuss offline marketing, if you want to discuss pay per click, what is PPC, you need to learn that if you don't know. It's all about ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. So site flipping, if you want to sell your website, then you can go here and learn method. Now here are freebie giveaways. So there are some generous people on Black Hat World that do giveaways most of the time. So a person is sharing Skillshare course with you. So he's giving away, he's giving access to this website. So premium services are given away free by members of this forum because they have benefited greatly from this forum. So they are sharing some uh, sharing with you all, right? So you can go here and find. If you want to buy some service, you can go on this forum and post like what you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy some reviews, some internet marketing services, etc. You can do that. So you, I think the names are self-explanatory. Now in the programming, we will discuss programming. In the web design, you will discuss web designing. Here, people are also sharing some downloads. So free things are here, right? So people are sharing like a person here is sharing a list of YouTube channels, basically a list of YouTube channel where you can use that to reach out to them. A person here is sharing free Envato elements. A person here is sharing free themes, free Canva, right? So this is how the forum looks like. Okay, so I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. Now, there are sometimes Black Hat World events there people can meet in person with each other. So they are great way to exchange your ideas. You can go there at the event depending on where it is hosted. If you're living in that country and location, then you can go and meet the members. So you can message each other members also, right? So I think I have made everything clear. Now also Black Hat World has made partnership with SameRush, NordVPN. You will get extra deals where you will get SameRush 30-day trial for free. Uh, they have partnered here. You can create an account and you enjoy this deal, right? So that's how it is. Now you understood, right? Basically, there is a marketplace where you can buy and sell things. There is a forum where you can discuss things depending on the topic, different topics. There is joint venture where you can find a partner for your business. There is a download section where people will share. You can also share free things that are available with you, so people can enjoy. There is a giveaway section where people giving away free things for you. Now if junior VIP, now there is also some hidden forums that is available exclusively for junior VIP members. Now to become a junior VIP, you need to spend some money, obviously. Firstly, you need to have at least 60 days on this forum, and you should have at least 100 posts created on this forum. So you should have at least 100 comments, or you have your own post on the forums. Then you can buy it at 147. So you get like larger, inbox to exchange messages. You can also get junior VIP badge. I will show you the badge how it looks like, and you can also get access to hidden junior VIP forums where more tricks and tips are shared for you to earn more money, right? So how does the badge looks like? Let me show you. Let me see if any member has it. So you can see this badge. That's how the badge looks like if you buy the junior VIP. But if you are regular members, then also you have a lot of benefit. I am not a junior VIP member and I can enjoy most of the things or 95% of the things, right? So I think I have made the things clear here, and that's how the forum is. Let me see if I'm missing something. Uh, yeah, so I have covered everything in detail. Comment down below if you have any doubt, if you have any question. If you like the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.